In this guide, I'll show you how to detect inactive Twitter followers. Identifying inactive followers on Twitter or X can help you maintain a healthy and engaged audience. While Twitter doesn't offer built-in tools for this, third-party solutions like Circle Boom's Twitter management tool provide effective ways to identify and manage inactive followers. Here's how you can use it to remove inactive followers. Visit the Circle Boom website and click on Get Started. Create a new account and follow the prompts to link your Twitter account to Circle Boom. After logging in, you'll see some of your statistics displayed. Look for the block showing the ratio of inactive friends you have. Click on List All to view inactive followers. Alternatively, access these statistics by selecting the circle in the side menu, then clicking on the Inactive option. Circle Boom will scan your friends and display the list of inactive users. Review the list to see which users are inactive and then click the Visit button next to an active user to go to their profile. Their Twitter page will open in a new window. Unfollow the user by clicking Following button on their profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.